Welcome. In this video, we are going to explore one of the most powerful yet often overlooked capabilities in Dynamic 365, that is, knowledge management. Let's start from the very beginning. Imagine your contact center or customer support portal gets 500 calls a day. 300 of those are the same 10 questions asked and answered differently by each of your agents. One agent gives the right answer, another gives a slightly different one, and the third makes it up. The customer is confused, your agent is stressed, and your manager has no idea what is being said. That's exactly the problem knowledge management in Dynamic 365 solve. One system, one source of truth, every answer consistent, accurate, and instantly available to every agent, every chatbot, and every customer 24 hours a day. Here, how it works. First, navigate to make.powerapps.com and then select your desired environment. For me, it is customer service trial. And then select your app. And on the left hand navigation menu, select the knowledge articles. Here, you will find all the knowledge articles available in the system. Depending on your security permissions, you may see articles in different states, such as published, approved, draft, etc. You can also sort and filter articles based on the criteria of title, status, owner, or the last modified date, etc. Before we create one, let's quickly understand what a knowledge article actually is. A knowledge article in Dynamics is much more than a simple document. It's a centralized source of information that can be accessed by support agents, chatbots, and even customer self service portals. Think of it as your organization's own internal Wikipedia, a place where you can store FAQs, troubleshooting guides, product documentation, standard operating procedures, and step by step instructions. Now, let's create a new knowledge article. Click on the New button on top of the page. A new knowledge article form will open. Start by providing the required information, such as title, which can define your article. I'm using how to fix login issues. And then add some relevant keywords that can enhance the searchability. Login, sign up, password, authentication, anything that you find relevant according to your article. And then you need to add the content. Here, I'm just adding it randomly, any article. Here, you can also use the headings, bullet points, hyperlinks, images, tables, etc. to organize information and makes it easier for users to read and understand. Once you have entered all the necessary details, click on the Save at the top. At this stage, the article is created and saved in a draft state. After saving only, you can see my article is in draft state. Now comes one of the most important parts of knowledge management, the business process flow. Sometimes, rather than publishing articles directly, many organizations use a business process flow to ensure proper governance. This helps maintain content quality by requiring articles to pass through authoring, review, and publishing stages before they become available to users. Let's walk through each stage. The first one is author stage. In the author stage, we complete the required information for the article. Here, we can specify keywords, article subject, assign primary author. Once all required information has been provided and the content is ready, select Complete. This indicates that the article has been authored and is ready for review. We can now move on to the next stage of the process. The next stage is review stage. Review stage is where the article is validated. A reviewer checks the content for accuracy, completeness, formatting with organizational standards. If any changes are required, the article can be sent back to the author for updates. Once the review is successfully completed, mark the review step
as completed or approved and move to the next stage. The next is publish stage. Publish stage is final. Here, additional information such as expiration date can be configured if required by your organization. After completing the required field, mark as complete, give an expiration date, and then finish. Clicking on publish, the knowledge article is now published and becomes available through knowledge search. This structured approach helps organizations maintain content quality, ensure proper approvals, and provide accurate information to both agents and customers. So, here I have created a case by filling some required information like title, subject, customer, etc. And now I'm click on save. Now here where it gets useful. On the right hand side of the case form, you will notice this panel. And if I click on this book icon right here, it opens up the knowledge base search panel and the system has already automatically searched for the article related to this case. It searched using the case title. As you can see, the article is tagged as external and published, which means it's a live article that customers or agents can refer. If the article helped resolve the case, you can link it to the case record for future reference by clicking on this icon. This makes it easier for agents to identify which knowledge article were used in previous resolutions. You can also add the article to your favorites, open it in a separate window, or quickly share the article content via email. And that's a complete walkthrough of how to create, review, publish, and use knowledge article in Dynamic 365. By implementing a structured knowledge management process, you can improve agent productivity, ensure consistent resolutions, and deliver a better customer experience. I hope this video brings some value to you. Thanks for watching.